So you might be in a situation where for some reason your cleanup section at the very bottom of your iPhone photos that might be missing on your iPhone, and you might be trying to figure out exactly why that's happening. Now, the number one reason why this cleanup tool is ending up missing on your phone is because your iPhone may not be supported with those Apple Intelligence features. So what does that mean? Well, basically that means if you actually go through and you double check your iPhone, the layout of your iPhone, if your iPhone is not an iPhone 15 Pro or above, then you will not be able to go and get this feature. So keep that in mind. If you have an iPhone 14, a standard iPhone 15, or an iPhone 12, you will not be able to have that because you need to have Apple Intelligence. So go inside of your iPhone settings, go and look at your Apple Intelligence in Siri. If you see this, then you should be able to have it enabled. But if you don't have it, you want to make sure you understand that you might not be able to have it on your device. You also need to be on iOS 18.1 or newer in order to do this. So go inside of your iPhone settings right over here, scroll down to your general settings, click on software update, and once again, just try updating your iPhone software. You also want to just make sure that you have Apple Intelligence enabled if you're going to go and do it. So make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled, and that should hopefully end up fixing the problem for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.